Insights from KubeCon EU 2019.
Tencent Cloud and Elastic's new joint service.
U.S. Azure regions approved for FedRAMP High Impact Level.
Google Cloud and Informatica wrangle data. These stories and more are coming up on this week's Liftr Cloud Look Ahead, May 28th, 2019. Welcome to another edition of the Liftr Cloud Look Ahead on liftrcloud.com. We're your anchors, Stephanie Ard
and Harold Fish, here to guide you through another interesting week of changes in the cloud and what to expect from Liftr Cloud Insights.
Let's jump on in. This past week, KubeCon was held in Barcelona from May 20th to 23rd. Liftr Cloud's principal analyst Paul Teich was in attendance, sending back interesting insights and key points on the event. According to Teich, machine learning was a hot topic. Discussion centered around not only data science, but also the ability to deploy both training and inference at scale to support a wide range of AI-enabled apps.
Other discussions at KubeCon focused around containerized network functions, or CNFs, and network function containerization, NFC, which are the container equivalents of virtualized network functions and network function virtualization. Teich points out that telcos and cable carriers are trying to learn from their long and convoluted OpenStack standardization experience. Carriers want multi-vendor clouds and multi-vendor edge, with no, quote, special Kubernetes required to span cloud core to edge.
The event also brought several new product announcements, such as MiniCube and CubeFlow. MiniCube, which had its official 1.0 release this week, is a single-node Kubernetes cluster that can be deployed locally in a VM on a laptop, desktop, in an edge server, or larger Internet of Things edge appliance. Paul notes that Canonical offers Ubuntu micro-K8s that essentially does the same thing, but without running a VM.
CubeFlow, which will release 0.6 shortly, runs on AWS and Google Cloud and manages machine learning and deep learning tasks using processors and GPU accelerators. CubeFlow also has the ability to create and manage Jupyter notebooks. Though full production of CubeFlow will not be available quite yet, it has gained a large amount of interest and progress. To get more insights and a deeper analysis on KubeCon and similar events, sign up for our Liftr Cloud Index newsletter.
Tencent Cloud has partnered with Elastic to create the Tencent Elasticsearch Service. The service is consistent with the service of a similar, simpler name, Elasticsearch Service, that Elastic already offers. The partnership is meant to benefit both companies' users and customers in China and across the globe by providing them access to a full selection of products and solutions, as well as ensuring that every user and customer can leverage every aspect of Elastic's efforts.
Elastic has a rapidly growing Elasticsearch community in China. The company plans to collaborate with Tencent's engineering team and provide local support. Tencent Cloud will also be available to leverage Elastic's Chinese localization for Kibana and other proprietary features like monitoring, Canvas, and Elastic Maps.
Some of the features that will be available are TLS, which is a free security feature for encrypted communications, role-based access control, file and native authentication, multi-tenancy for Kibana, and the ability to turn on paid security features. The new Tencent Elasticsearch service is set to be available early June.
Lily Kim, General Manager of Azure Global, announced in a blog post that Azure now has the ability to provide Azure public services that meet U.S. Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program High Impact Level and extend FedRAMP High Provisional Authorization to operate. FedRAMP High was previously only available to customers using Azure Government. Azure told customers of their plan to extend public cloud services and regions from FedRAMP Moderate to FedRAMP High Impact Level last October.
FedRAMP was established to provide a standardized approach for assessing, monitoring, and authorizing cloud computing products and services to federal agencies, and to accelerate the adoption of secure cloud solutions by federal agencies. Reaching FedRAMP High means that it is easier for more federal agencies to benefit from cost minimizing and robust security offerings from Microsoft Commercial Cloud.
While FedRAMP High will meet the needs of many U.S. government customers, certain agencies with stringent requirements will continue to rely on Azure Government, which provides additional services and safeguards such as the heightened screening of personnel. Azure has also increased the number of services available at high impact level to 90, including services like Azure Policy and Azure Security Center. Other new services that Azure will be providing now that it is compliant are Azure Migrate, Azure DDoS, Protection, and Azure File Sync, to name a few. The company strives to hit 100% compliance for all Azure services.
Google Cloud announced last Tuesday that it is joining forces with data management company Informatica LLC to help businesses draw more value from their data. The move is part of a continual effort from Google to push into the enterprise information technology market. The partnership will combine Informatica's data management and integration tools with Google Cloud services, including data storage platforms and market analytics tools.
The tools Google Cloud provides are already available on their platform. However, according to Informatica Chief Executive Anil Chakravarthy, gathering and prepping data to feed into them has been a, quote, bottleneck. For many companies, the two companies' goal is to enable commercial users to more easily leverage massive amounts of data for use in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other advanced digital capabilities to help give businesses better insights to make better decisions. Financial terms of the partnership were not disclosed.
That's a wrap for this week's Liftr Cloud Look Ahead. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@liftrcloud.com. See you next week.